Thank you for joining us tonight. We begin with the chaos at today's meeting of the Smith County Commissioner's Court, where the son of the county clerk and a county commissioner had to be forcibly removed and handcuffed, and it was all caught on camera. This is the moment Lance Phillips had to be forcibly removed from the Smith County Commissioner's courtroom after going limp and refusing to comply with deputies' orders. Phillips is the son of recently arrested County Clerk Karen Phillips and Precinct 3 Commissioner Terry Phillips, who were both at today's meeting. Phillips returned to Commissioner's Court following an attempt last week to speak on the recent arrest of his brother and the arrest of his mother for interfering. He was stopped due to his comments being unrelated to an agenda item as required.
It's not on the replats. You cannot speak.
Okay. All right.
Phillips returned this week to try it again and was even questioned by County Judge Neil Franklin before the meeting, resulting in this back and forth in which a deputy had to ask Phillips to lower his voice. When it came time for public comment, Phillips had yet to make it to the podium when he started shouting as another citizen was admonished for not staying on topic and speaking directly to the sheriff, which is against the court's rules. Phillips can be heard shouting, "Let her speak."
I'm going to have to stop you there because you're still talking directly. That's against decorum, and this is really not about the jail report.
Yes, it is.
No, it's about.
It has to be how our inmates are treated. They're not allowed a fair trial.
I'm going to have to stop you there.
Sheriff Larry Smith can then be seen asking deputies to remove Phillips from the courtroom. He refuses to comply, resulting in deputies having to forcibly remove him.
Decorum was severely broken this morning, and to the point that I felt it was time to do something. I got up from my seat.
County Judge Neil Franklin says in an effort to stay on track and handle the county's business, rules of decorum must be enforced.
It wasn't just that they were turned away that caused them to be removed from the court. That didn't cause a problem, and it was their actions afterwards in the audience area that they were removed.
For years, the Commissioner's Court allowed for public comment on topics not related to agenda items, but the court voted to change that rule. Among those who voted for the change, Lance's dad, Commissioner Terry Phillips, who now wants it changed back.
I'll be adding something to the agenda in the future to try to get that change. I doubt that it's going to happen because I don't think I would have enough support, but at least I can let folks know where I stand on letting people speak in court.
Now, you may have noticed one of Lance Phillips' hands was red. That is not blood, but instead paint. He showed up that way. Lance Phillips was booked into the Smith County Jail today on a charge of disrupting a meeting and has since been released on a $500 bond. Now, to watch the courtroom video in full, scan the code on your screen or go to our website, scroll down and click right there on the big red box. You'll find a link to the video under today's date.